Hey guys, Tony here. So I did get other requests to do another TA on Coinbase. Like I told you guys last time, I think it was back, 350, 300 levels, 320 back when it IPO'd. I told you guys I'm 100% bearish. I do think it's going to go down to 300, if not lower. We did hit those 300 levels. We actually bounced all the way down to 281, 282, and then we bounced up, retouched this 306 level, and then I actually think we're headed back down. Strictly TA, we can easily here. I'll show you guys why I think we're going back down. So you guys know that I use my reverse TA. We actually had this pretty significant buy on Coinbase. This happened April 26th, so yesterday. We had a pretty perfect entry right here. It actually didn't end up moving as high as it should have. It actually didn't even break or created a candle above that $306 daily resistance, right? So it didn't even break above that, and it actually, the next candle that got created today, it just kind of hovered around that $300 price. And even on the stochastic, we actually created bottoms and we're heading back up. So I do think right now, it's a very, very, very strong signal to actually, for Coinbase to actually come back down and retest these 282 levels. I do think, again, I am 100% bearish on Coinbase. I don't think it's going to go up unless there's some huge, unless there's like a really huge rally, right? There's like a lot of volume coming in, but it doesn't seem like it really has a lot of volume. I mean, you can see on the hour chart that it had a pretty big sell, not a sell off, but it had a sell signal right at that 304 hour, $304 mark. Went down to about $300, and then it was looking like it was going to go back to 305. But like I said, in smaller time frames, it does look like it's looking to running back up. But I mean, it's basically the 30-minute chart is just showing me that it's been trading sideways regardless of bearish or bullish movement, and it looks like more of the 4 hour, it's actually respecting the 4 hour mark a little bit more, if anything, right? Because it's still pretty soon to do a TA on Coinbase. But yeah, I think I'm 100% what is it called, I think I am 100% bearish on Coin. It does look like tomorrow, maybe, what's tomorrow, Wednesday? It does look like Wednesday, Thursday, we are going to have another break to the downside, and I wouldn't be surprised if we go back to lows of 290, 292, or even back to like 281 and break to new lower lows. So I'll see you guys later.